Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to process payroll in Alloc8. First, we click on Reporting and then on View Reports. Here, we choose a report type and select Missing Timesheets. What this will show is all the jobs that have been completed that are missing a timesheet. The aim of this report is to find out who hasn't entered their timesheet and contact them so that they can enter it in and be paid for the work completed. Next, you will select a branch and even a specific client. Next, you will choose a start date and end date. Now, tick Display Report and then Build Report. This will show you every single person who hasn't entered their timesheets for a job within the date range that you selected. You can even click on the ticket number and edit both the ticket and the timesheet. Or, you can contact that employee and ask them to fix it themselves. Once all the timesheets have been entered, go down to Timesheet Warnings. With Alloc8, you don't need to review all your timesheets, as we'll produce a report that will show you all of the timesheets with potential problems. To learn more about timesheet warnings, just go and watch my other video covering everything you need to know about timesheet warnings in Alloc8. To approve an exception, just tick this box and hit Save. Once all timesheet warnings have been reviewed, you can then move on to interpreting the payroll. First, we click on Payroll and then on Run Payroll. Here, we select a branch, a start date, and end date. Then, we hit Interpret. What this will do is collect all the relevant timesheets inside the date range and compile them into a payroll. Once this has been interpreted, you will see all the rates available, the quantity, and the employee, including their pay and shift date. Now that this information has been collected, just go to Timesheets. Select a start date and an end date. Now, choose a branch and click Use Interpreted Data. What this will do is use all the data that you collected before in the Run Payroll section and provide you with a PDF document which you can review. You can even choose a specific employee. Once the document has been downloaded, you can see the employee's name and the job details, as well as when they started and finished their shifts, with the total amount of hours worked being calculated. Below it are the award codes. These determine what award is being used, the hours, and the amount. To run the payroll, just go back to Payroll and hit Interpret. The Interpret button analyzes all the timesheets and runs them through your award interpreter. Once they've been interpreted, you can export it to your accounting package, whether that's Xero, MyOb, or CSV. From there, you will be able to review and finalize your pay run in your accounting package.